Nagre-record tayo. We're exploring the desert. The desert.
I don't know how to play this, but let's just play it.
The desert. Oh. Okay. My avatar Slither yan.
Bro, where do we put this, okay?
In the microwave, bro.
Bro, go to the back.
Where are you? Bro, where are you at?
Look behind you. Look behind you. Look behind you, I said. Look behind you. I literally saw you.
Bro.
Let's make. Oh my
Hold
God.
the tita.
Bro, our car is kind of
What
broken.
was that? What?
Let's fix our car.
What in the world? Okay.
Hold to grab.
Grab. Kuruch. Ay.
Hold to place. Okay.
Ow. Hold.
Yes. Finally.
Pina likes. Where does this? Where? Oh, dear. Here. Oh. Okay. Bro.
Hold to place.
Dar, Gugina. What was that? Do you guys hear that? Yeah, what? How guys hear that now? I'm gonna scream so you guys. I'm gonna scream so you'll hear that. Ah! What? No, wait. Is that my clone? I hear it. Was that my clone? No, bro. Stop! Rob, stop!
Hold to get off. Wait, no, I meant uncrouch. Bro,
there's no uncrouch.
Crouch! Press the crouch! You're crouching!
Look! There's no crouching.
Bro.
Oh my God. Y'all guys hear that?
Bro, let's
stop it or I'm gonna close the door on you.
Bro, don't close the door! Okay?
This looks like a Dominator.
Nah, it doesn't look like it.
I'm gonna grab the oil cup.
Bro. It's
there.
so...
Well.
Well!
On the front.
On the front. I'm gonna pick it up.
Bro, my hand!
Bro, why are you Bro, why are you driving?
Bro, what?
You're driving! Okay? Our car is almost finished.
Yeah.
It's still not finished. There's no headlights. Okay.
Ow!
Bro, stop! Bro, where do we put this scene?
Yo!
Oh. Why, bro, recently my granny, she got it by the sofa. Bro, don't break the car. Bro, I think you're just breaking the car. Like, I mean it.
Yo guys, hear
Bro,
that?
please stop.
What? I'm just driving. Ow!
Stop.
Ow!
What does this even do? Where do I even put this? Why I just put it?
I'm
Oh,
driving
what's
in my
this?
car. I am driving in my car.
Okay, bro, just don't break it.
Okay.
Where's the sandpaper? Or the brush?
Hindi ko alam sa'yo ay. Hello! Anong...
Bro, what? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm trying to brush it.
Then brush it. Let me hold it. Bro.
Bro,
Can I just
bro,
hold
can you?
No,
Bro,
you
how do
don't.
you?
I'm literally grabbing right now. I'm grabbing, okay.
Oh, spray the car. Spray the car.
Ooh, it's getting cleaner and cleaner. Getting cleaner and bleed. What's this?
I keep dropping it. I'm gonna crash out.
Give me that, dude. Give me that. It's gonna be super easy, dude.
Oh, I gave it to you. Hey, bro, let's put this at the back.
Look, I'm literally Quimo.
Okay, let's just put this at the
Look
back
at my
of our car.
Look our silver, guys, chat. Silver car, chat.
Oh, bro, don't waste our paint. Don't waste our paint. What's this? Okay, bro.
Oh
Just to
my
be clear,
god!
Caleb,
Ooh.
tignan mo yung ano. Caleb, tignan mo yung car. Tignan mo to. Anong klaseng design yan?
My forehead.
I'm gonna crush. Bro, don't push the car!
Oh. Oh, ah, ah, ah. Ah, yung ano ko. Let me grab my...
Okay, bro. You brush and
Let me brush my
I
teeth.
color.
I'm literally
Bro,
doing
why the car is dancing?
I don't know.
Okay, bro, let's refill. Let's refill.
Bro, why is the car dancing again, dude? This is the dirtiest lobster of all time, bro.
Is this
No.
finished?
I'm done. What? I mean not.
Okay, let's brush the front of the car. It's super dirty.
Yuna ah.
Stop.
Yuni po ay.
Oh,
You
bro, let's
cup.
get the hammer. It might be useful for attacking.
Bro, stop dancing, Corey.
Gonna get something. I'm gonna get some.
I'm gonna get. Bro,
The whole time, this thing is outside.
bro, can you please stop?
I'm crouching.
Stop saying you're coking.
Yeah.
I'm already done with this, bro.
Bro, the front.
Hahont! Hahont! That was not. Why did you break the? Why did you break the? Why did you break the glass? Why did you break the glass?
Bro, that's fine food.
Bro! Bro! Why did you break the glass?
Doctor, my head hurts. My doctor head hurts.
My reaction! Why?
No, there's a basement. There's a basement. Let's see in the basement.
No!
Oh, there's the car. There's the paint. Bro, go into the basement.
No
There's
offense.
the collar. No offense.
Oh, let
I'm
me.
telling the truth. Okay, I put. Okay. Bro, help me.
We need an airplane, guys. We need an airplane. This is the best car so far. Oh. Three plus.
I see you
Let us swag. A singing. A dingo. Ow, ow. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. That was actually cringe, but what in the world am I doing? Okay.
You're rolling.
I see you're rolling.
Caleb.
Bucket.
Tignan ako. I see you rolling. But sing, magiging. I see you rolling. But sing. Okay. Okay. I see you rolling. But sing. I see you rolling. But sing. Kaya tulungan mo ako.
Saan ka ba? Saan ka ba?
Outside. I'm outside of the bank. I'm gonna grab the paint. You grab the... Oh my God!
Let me do something, chat.
Bro, chat, let me do something. I'm gonna paint the car.
If you see me rolling, if you see me rolling everywhere, if you see me rolling everywhere, if you see me rolling and I just crashed the bike, wowzy. Holy cup, holy cup, holy cup, holy cup, holy cup. Holy cup, holy cup, holy cup. Holy cup, holy cup, holy cup, holy cup, holy cup. Holy cup, holy cup, holy cup, holy cup, holy cup, holy cup. Holy cup, holy cup, holy cup, holy cup, holy cup. Ah! Stop blowing my eardrums. I mean, low, not bro. I'm lagging. lagging.
I
I'm moving.
It's beautiful.
Hold to grab. Oh, I'm holding.
Oi, I'm holding.
Give me this.
Bro, it's time. It's me turn. Paint the car, please.
Never. Okay.
Okay.
But I'm holding.
Still not holding.
I'm holding. Please, okay.
Tap to hold. Promise. Does this freaking even work? Bro, where's the sun paint? Bro, what is on
Thank
the
you
top?
for the
Let me see what-
sunscreen, though.
What is this?
Bro, I don't have. I need to reload. Oh,
Ay, bro.
get
Bro,
out,
let's
please.
grab the thing. I'm gonna grab something, Caleb. Oy,
Me too.
bro, what is that on the wheel? Hold the grab, okay? Caleb, I found something cool. It's on wheel.
Where's the wheel?
Here.
Where?
Don't jump on it. You will die. Bro, I told you, you stupid. Bro, where
Bro,
are you? Bro?
I just got sent to the back rooms. Don't jump. I just got sent to the back rooms. Yup. Look.
You died out of the map.
I got on the back room. No. Go right now. The creature's there. Bro.
Oh, bro, look, I found something.
I'm never.
I managed to get out of the map. How do you do it?
Bro, no.
You will get out eventually.
Bro.
Royce.
Okay. I hear the monster.
Uy, saan ka ba? Papesto? Doon ka na sa loob muna.
May ingay naman ako na kayo sa
Doon ka sa loob.
Oh my god. Oh yes.
Never jump in the well.
Don't even jump in the whale.
Oh, bro, help me. Okay, let's put the items on the truck.
Yeah, let me ride. Let me ride.
Over. Oh my god, who just broke the light?
Me.
Hey, bro. Wait, I'm
Okay,
gonna
bro.
drive and... Bro, you
I'm
drive.
driving in my car. I'm driving in my cool. I'm magu.
Bro, I drive.
Wait. Wait. Let me go. For the car. Wait. 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 There.
Let's put the thing on our car. Right?
On our car. On our car. Born a hero, hero, hero.
let's find some food.
What
We
did
have
you
a
do? What did you even do?
I don't know. Oh, what's this?
What?
Can I look?
What?
I'm
Ma,
gonna grab
uh,
the
uh, uh,
from the
uh,
grab
whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, yo, Matt, ikaw na sa gumaga.
Wait, wait.
Born born Driving in my car when there's rainbow everywhere.
What does it mean?
I'm driving in my car to the side and we almost crashed there because of my friend. And I just
This is my
and
first time
I'm gonna
driving.
driving and I'm gonna drive. And I am gonna drive. Oh, yeah. And I'm gonna drive everywhere.
Bro, where's the road?
I do not know, bro. This is the road, finally. Finally! Finally! Look, wait. We are driving in the ocean. We are literally driving in the ocean. This is unrealistic. This is unrealistic. We are driving on the ocean. We are driving on the ocean. And we are driving in the ocean. And now we're driving in the sun. And now we're driving in the sun. And now we're driving in the sun. Like we don't know where the road and I see a small mountain everywhere. Like actually, and look at that. There is a light that is shining there on the head of my head. And there's a giant cactus, a giant cactus, a giant cactus, a giant cactus. And when we see the cactus, we already almost crushed too. Two, two, two. When we finally saw the road and a friend go past it, and we already drive on it. We already drive on it. Drive on it. We already drive on it. We can drive every day. Every day we driving. Every day every day. Every day we driving. Every day every day. Every day every day we've been driving all day and money. And the year, even for 15 years, So we already crashed. We already crashed. We already crashed. Hey, hey, hey. We already crashed. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, we already crashed. Hey, 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 hey. 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 And I already. And I
How did
already.
you die?
I do not know. I do not know. I'm dying. Bruh.
Did you die?
Yup, I literally died. Look, look. I died, look. Click on the Roblox button. Look, I died.
Oh. Let's try that again.
If you die, you get kicked out of the game.
Oh. Bro, I don't know. How did you die?
Because I got
Bro,
kicked.
let's just try.
I died and got kicked from the game.
Let's try that again. Dog.
Wait,
Let's try that again.
mute. Let me mute. Wait. Okay. He doesn't even know it was reset and leave. Okay, I'm back here.
Did you join me? Hey, wait.
Bro, I literally got banned from the game. I got banned from the game, bro.
Join me.
I got banned.
How did you even get banned?
I
What
did
did
not.
it say?
You got banned from this experience. You would. Do you even,
I'm
bro has a bro has a brain of a peanut.
Bro. Let me see. Wait, I'm going back to the chat. Let me see.
What,
Let me see.
bro?
Let me see if you're lying.
If you read, bro, if you rejoin, the chat will disappear. If you even
Join. Bro, look. I'ma look at your iPad. Let me see if you're just banned. Join the game. Bro, show me.
it's still loading. It's still loading. What?
Join me now.
Okay.
Join me now. Join me now.
Oh, Captain Clark.
Join me now.
Bato. Ayaw ko pala to.
Oh,
Galen.
let's join a blue guy.
Bro, join me.
Okay, stop.
Do you have a crush on him if
Yeah.
you join him?
Hindi naman na siguro ulan na.
Bro, a blue guy is literally my classmate.
Yeah.
BTY,
Join me now.
BTW. I need to go.
What are you
Kaboom!
doing?
Bro, I actually.
Bro, did you join me?
Huh? What? Is my game glitched? Oh. I need to go. Kaboom!
Oh wait, accidentally.
Yeah.
Cut.
And I actually need to go. Kaboom! No. I joined. I joined. I joined. Bro, we need to reset our progress because of you. What? Look our progress. Booty.
Don't make that car. Dead.
And
Don't show up. Don't show up. I'm gonna make some.
what?
Show.
What? I know you're gonna make. I know you're gonna make your own car. Not even on white. Uja guja. Bro, let me get out.
Oh my god,
Let me get out. What? What? Let me end the call. I'm not. I'm
Oh
not.
my god, we have a big ghost.
Where? Inside of your. Inside of your record.
The big ghost is heavy.
Ow!
No joke.
Ah! I just closed it.
Too
Bro!
heavy.
There. Where are you, dude? It's actual.
Bro,
Actual.
bro, this is so heavy. This is so heavy. Ah, yeah. Wait, I'm gonna
Yo,
do something.
yo.
Gas can. Okay, bro. I just found some diesel. Let's fill it.
Wait, bro. Ah! How to get it? Do you even? Did you find the? Did you find the hammer?
Bro, I'm trying to.
Find the hammer right now and give it to me.
Bro, I'm not trying to find the. Bro, what?
Wait, I'm gonna mute.
I to you.
I'm gonna. He give me the hammer. I'm actually gonna destroy all the. If there's already glass here. Ow! Hey, yo! Guja, guja, guja. Guja, 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 guja. Guja, guja. Guja, guja, guja. What happened? What? What? Look on top of the bus. Bro, what's happening?
Bro, if you do that, I'm gonna shoot. Oh, let's try that again.
Bro.
Do that again. Rung, ding, 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 garing, ding, 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 ding.
What?
Ding, ding, garing, ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 garing, ding, ding, ding. Unggah, 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 unggah,
Bro. Stop. Bro, stop it. If you shoot me again, I'm gonna spawn a car on top of you.
Bro, stop. Please.
And you're gonna
I'm gonna.
you're gonna 99. 99. Bye-bye. What? I'm not doing it again.
Kagaya kay George. Caleb, sinasabi ko. Ang Patrick.
Your pingo. Hello.
Please stop, dude. Bro, what's this?
I do not know for the fireworks. What? Light it up! Bro.
Iiyak ka na agad kung hindi na na-charge yung cellphone mo.
Why did you even light it up? Bro.
Okay, bro. Wala.
Cop. Go, walk, walk.
Bro, don't.
Bro, it's your fault. Why did you? What? Why a public server do?
Server left.
This is not a private server, public server. Ow! Oh my god!
Entertainment?
Go.
You do you?
What? Bro, I what? Wait, I love you right now. I bro, I already died. Ah, here, bro. Is it glitching? What? Look, look. Let me see. There. Ah. Let's lock in this time. Let's lock in this. Okay. Mina. Uh,
Bro, an idea. Get ready, bro. Get ready.
bro, I got stuck on the bus that I spawned.
Caleb. Caleb.
Bro, hello.
Caleb. 3, 2, 1.
Bro, I'm literally. Oh my god, I knew I survived. I survived. Wow.
I think I survived. Bro, don't fast.
Bro, I'm literally stuck.
Then just simply just walk around it.
Keep it is, dude. Oh my god, you're not helping me. I'm stuck.
I did just detach.
Bye bye, buddy. Bye bye. Bye bye. Ow. Finally, go. Finally, I got outside of the car.
We have to try that one too.
Okay.
Just reach me. Just, I'm gonna get mad at you. Never spawn a car again. I'm just gonna spawn it. Just a normal car, not a bus. If you spawn a car without permission, you know what's gonna happen. Okay, so let's play. And never kill yourself. How that how is that? always sound like Russian
Nah.
and shit.
I need car.
Okay, never spawn a vehicle or I will pew pew you. Pew pew. Never. If you spawn it, I'm gonna pew pew.
I'm just gonna spawn this. Wait. I know what what I'm gonna spawn. I'm just gonna
Don't
spawn.
spawn a fireworks or I will pew pew you. Why would you even spawn a bed? Spawn some zombies, I will kill them. Let's play a mini game. Let's play a mini game.
Ayoko.
3, 2, 1. Keep spawning them. What? I'm gonna do it from my. No,
You said let's do a mini game. You said let's do a mini game.
it has no bullet. I'm dead. I might be GG's. GG's.
Where's the sword?
Bullet.
Their axe.
Never do that again, bro. Let's not do that again.
Oh my god, a bomb! A bomb is here! A bomb is here! I'm dead. Dead.
Serious?
Nope. I'm spectating you.
From dead. And I just rejoined.
I'm gonna rejoin, bro. Oh my god. Isama!
Did you do your chores?
Isama! Hindi gumagalaw ang oras sa paligid ko. Mas pipiliin ko.
Let's just drive, not kill ourselves. Please, bro.
I'm just gonna spawn again. So if we see a zombie, I'm gonna shoot them.
Okay, bro. I like my cheese dippy, bro.
Not much.
I'm gonna spawn the car.
Defeated.
Okay, I'm gonna spawn the car. No spawning 2 cars.
Why am I laughing right now?
Hey, bro, I
Bro,
accidentally.
bro, by the way,
We could.
Bro, oh my god, bro.
What?
The ding dong is coming.
What?
The ding dong is coming.
Bro, who the fuck is Ding Dong?
I have
Let's just make a interceptor.
okay. I have
Just make it.
I know what I'm gonna do. Wait, let me go outside of the house. I mean, inside.
Stop.
Okay, bro. Come on.
Gonna attack.
I'm gonna do
Okay. Bro, let's make our own intercept.
I know what I'm gonna spawn though, bro. Ooh. I'm gonna rocket you. Where are you? I got a rabbit. If for another one, I will rocket you. If spawn one more, I'm gonna rocket. Where are you? There.
Okay, bro, I just made the now let's
You how to detach? How to detach there?
copy niya. Day one making my own interceptor. It is day what? Day one. It is not day two. Okay, bro.
It was fun, dude.
Okay, bro. I'm making my own interceptor. Bro, stop.
Oh
I'm
my
about
god.
to die. Not cool. Wait, what does this? Bro, this is you died like the fourth time. I'm gonna literally crash up. Stop dying.
Oh my god, run! Papa! Nalag out si Kyrie!
Ano?
happened there, dude? What happened? What happened there, dude? What happened? Dude! Ew. Bro! Join! Join me now! What? What?
You do that again.
What?
You do that again.
Bro, join me!
Not cool, by the way. Never do that.
Bro! Oh my god. Ah. Ah.
Not cool. Like, genuinely not cool. I'm not even joking, not cool.
Please subscribe, guys. Like, actually, please subscribe. We're gonna do the next video like next month. I mean, like next day. Oh my! Please subscribe. And I hope you guys have a nice day, and I hope you guys are safe. And I hope you guys are safe. Have a nice day, and subscribe.